Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making vegan pita breads. To make 6 pita breads, the ingredients I have is 3 cups of wholemeal flour, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 3/4 teaspoons of salt, a cup or 8 ounces of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 packet of active dry yeast. The first thing we're going to do is put the sugar in the bowl, add the warm water, yeast and 1 cup of the flour. Then I'm going to mix it up and then set it aside for 15 minutes so the yeast can activate. So at the end of the 15 minutes we're just going to add the olive oil to the bowl. In goes the salt, and then we're also going to now add 1.5 cups of the flour. So now we just mix it all up. We want it not to be too sticky, we want it nice and smooth. So with your leftover flour you can add to it until you get it as smooth as you'd like. So I'm just lightly flouring a chopping board. I'm going to knead the dough for around 5 minutes. Once I've finished doing that, I'm going to get another bowl, oil it slightly, put the dough inside, cover it up and leave it for 2 hours so it can rise. 2 hours later, I'm just going to lightly flour another board. I'm going to get my ball of dough and a rolling pin and I'm going to roll it out so it's flat. So I'm going to roll the dough out to roughly 1/2 inch thick and then I'm going to cut it into 6 pieces. These 6 pieces will then be made into balls. I'm going to cover them again and leave them for roughly 15 minutes. So 15 minutes later, I'm now going to roll them out one last time, and these are the size and thickness of the pita breads I'm going to use. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use the palm of your hand to flatten out the dough. Now when my pita breads are rolled out, I've got a lightly oiled pan. I've got it on high temperature and I just add the dough into the pan and let it cook. You'll see it rise and it will create an air pocket in the middle, creating that pita bread that we want. So I've used a knife and cut it open and you can see we've got a nice little pocket ready to be stuffed with some healthy, tasty vegan ingredients. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below, and stay safe out there.